Okay, I'm going to talk about the columns. Right. Task number 14. We're going to change the page layout, right? Starting from our business plan, the following business plan, the following text, right? To two columns with a gap of 0.4 cm and creating a line in between them. Now there is a error in the screenshot here, which is step number 2 here. If you look at it, right, it indicates 1 cm, but please change it to 0.4 cm. Now, and I need you to take note of point number 4, which is very important, right? It's apply to this point forwards. Okay, now go to the document here, right? We put the cursor. We put the cursor to our business plan, right? Now, and we go to the layouts. Click on the columns. We select the more columns, right? And click on the column 2, right? And please make sure that right, we check the checkbox here, line between. That means that there will be a black line created in between the space of the columns, right? Now change it to 0.4 cm. Right, now apply to these sections, right? You see that the preview here, if it's applied to, by default, you will apply to the whole document, which we don't want to let this happen, right? Because we're going to apply, right, starting from our business plan, and above that, right, it will be still one column. So we're going to select it to this point forwards, right? You can see that from the preview here, right, the top is still one column, and below is two columns being created. So I click OK. Right. And we've created two columns. Oh, you see that the lines disappear. So let's go to the column here. Like to see what happened. Okay, now I uncheck this just now. So I'm going to check it. Line between, click OK. Right, see that the lines have been created. The next task will be changing the bullet list, right, to the romance number list. As what you display here. Go to the documents, select the bulleted list, and I go to the paragraph here, paragraph sections here, right? So selecting the numbering, change it to the romance list. Now, make it more presentable, right? I like to put the cursor here and delete the spacing so that right, the whole list will be appear on the same columns. You can see that the footer, right, is quite close to the content. The footer here is quite close to the content, which is the whole layout is looking very improper. I would like to make an adjustment. So, okay, now go to the top here, right, under the header and footer tools, right, and I would like to do the adjustment footer from the bottom, right. Let's see what happened, right. I'm going to change it, right, 1.6, 1.5 cm, right. Let me lower it down again. Okay, I think that's much better.